Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm going to explain you step by step how you can apply for private hire lessons. A lot of people were calling me nowadays and asking about this info. And they are giving me the money, and they want to give me the money as well to do the application for them. And they go to the different centers and they charge more than 500 pounds, sometimes 1000 pounds, and they do the application for you. But I want to say you guys, please don't waste your money. And this is a simple step you can do by yourself or your family members, your son or daughters. If they are little bit knowledge of the English, they can fill the application for you and you can apply and you can save your money. Okay, so I'm going to start. Then I'm going to give you more advice as well during this video. Please watch this at the end. So the first step, you need a minimum 3 years UK license. If you have a EU license, you have to go to the website. I'm going to write the link in the description. You can check what's the requirement for EU. If you have a EU license, usually you can apply if you have a 3 years old in the EU as well. So the first, if you have a UK 3 years license, you can apply. So means you're ready to apply. So what is the procedure now? So you can apply online, but nowadays because of the pandemic they're not taking online applications, but you can apply by asking for the application pack. So you can write them email. I will write the email in the description, or you can find from the private hire lessons TFL applications. So you can find the email is about TFL inquiries at this kind of. I'm going to write it in the description. You can copy from there. So just write it down that I want to apply for private hire license. Please can you send me the application pack, and write your address as well. Do not forget to write your address because they're going to post it to you. So when you send the email, so they're going to send you application pack within a week. So when you get the application pack, sorry, please do not go to any center, just fill it. It's easy, it's not very hard. So it's like basic information. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna fill the application pack, read it very carefully, and just your info is going to be, you need to put inside the application pack. Okay, when you fill the application pack, then you need to do the medical. So medical you can do from your local GP. So just call your local GP, and the form is going to be inside the application pack, but you can download from online as well. But when you're going to asking for application pack, they provide the form for GP. So take this form to your GP. They're going to fill by themselves, and they're going to charge sometime 150 or 200 100 pounds, is depend on the GP. So your medical is done now. So you need DBS. So you can apply for DBS. You no need to ask for someone to do the DBS. They charge 56 pound if you want to do the online, and if you want to do the paperwork, it's going to be £2 extra. So I made one video of how you can apply for DBS. You can watch that video as well. It's not difficult. Okay guys, so your medical and DBS is done. And when you apply for DBS, you need to go to the post office to do the verify your documents, and that's easy step. Don't worry about that. I will put you can watch my video how to apply for DBS. Okay, your medical done, your DBS done. Now you need to send the application and pay the fees. So the fees, I'm going to tell you now, the total fees for the application is 644. So I'm going to break it down. So DBS is 52. License application fees is going to be 124 pound. Grant of license fees is going to be 186. Post office checkup is going to be 7 pound 15 pence. And this is English language. So you need B1 English language assessment as well. If you have B1, but if you have a degree like a GCSE, A levels, if you have any UK degree, you can send them as well. But if you have a degree from outside the country, so you can get the transcript from the UK NARIC. If it's valid, then you can ask them as well. But most of the time, if you have a degree outside the country and you can get a transcript from the UK NARIC, this is a little bit difficult step as well. If you need my help, you can ask me about that one. But it's easy. Do B1. You can submit B1 as well. They charge 150 pound, and do from Trinity College. There's other lot of private center as well. And the other one, topographical assessment fees, which is 75. but you can save your fees, because if you, okay, I'm gonna tell this about this later about the topographical test. Okay, now the total fees is 644. Okay, if you fail 2 times topographical test, you can get your some money back, is about 200 pound. But other, you, if you fail 2 times, you're gonna lose your all money, and you're gonna apply again, because you have two chances to pass your topographical test. If you're gonna fail, then you have to apply again, means the whole process again. You get the application pack and do the DBS and the medical, is going to be headache. But so work hard for topographical test now. Okay, so you need to do the topographical test as well. A lot of people asking, we can we do earlier, can we do before apply application? No, you can get prepared before application apply, but when you apply for the application, so after 2-3 months, the TFL is going to send an email that we accept your application, and you need to book a topographical test. Now, to book the topographical test, they're going to send you a center as well, name. So you're going to find the center nearest to you to book the topographical test. So I can tell you that if you go to the other center, they charge 50 to 100 pound when you go to the center to do the topographical test. But if you go to in Baker Street or Kingston, I think so, then it's going to be free of charge. Then you can do, because this is TFL center, and you can get free from there. Okay, so the topographical test, what is topographical test? I put many videos, about 80% of materials. Just check my channel. What is topographical test? The topographical test consists 2 parts. The first part is A to Z. I'm going to show you the book. This book, you need to buy this book. You can buy from Waterstone, from Amazon or eBay. So it must be this book. So this book, you can earn 25 marks. There is need to learn various topic in this book, and you can earn 25 marks. So I put whole videos to explaining how you can earn 25 marks. So buy the book, then watch that video. You're gonna have a no question, trust me. So this is 25 marks. So other is 75, which is route planning, and that is very, very important. So you need to uh, spend little bit time to get training from someone, or I provide training one-to-one as well. You can contact me for the topographical training. So for, okay, for this 25 question, guys, please do not spend money on that. A lot of people paying 100 pound, more than 100 pound to get prepared for that. On Uber website, there's a one free mock test. You can get prepared from there, and I put 4 mock tests on my YouTube video about this one, so you can get prepared from there as well. You don't need to spend money on A to Z, but you can, you need to be focused on A to Z, on route planning question, because that is 75 marks. Total marks is 100. 25 is from A to Z, 75 is from route planning, and if you, the passing marks is 60. This means if you do only doing route planning, which is 75, if you can get 60, and you can pass, you know, to do A to Z. But A to Z is important as well, and the duration of the test is 2 hours. So you need to finish the question in 2 hours. 25 is from this book. You can get 25 questions from this book, and the 5, sometime route planning 5 question comes, 7 question comes, sometime 3 question come, but 80%, 90% people telling me that 5 question come. So the 5 question, 1, you get road close, the road is closed. 2 question means you get shorter route, and third question is medium tunnel, sometimes you come get, and you get the longer route as well, about 5 to 10 miles, maybe sometime 20 mile as well. But don't worry about, that's easy, not hard. Just you need to learn tricks. I put 80% tricks on my channel. You can watch that one, and you can get prepared for route planning questions. Okay, hope so I explain everything. Is you need to focus just on the route planning section, that's it. Other is not hard. So just if you watch my video and you get training from me, and hope so my passing rate is 100%, you're gonna pass first time. So I'm gonna repeat again. Yeah, so to apply for private hire license, you need to get your application pack, and 3 years old license. You need to do DBS and medical check. Do all these things, and just send them back, and they will give you the topographical date. So the topographical date when you're gonna get it, so then when you pass, then within 10 days you get the result. So after result, that's it, you no need to worry about anything, because all the document is already there. So just you wait. Sometimes 6 months before they are sending, if you pass your topographical test, they're sending the PCO within a month. Maybe some people told me they got after 2 weeks passing the topographical test, but nowadays they're taking times because a lot of people applying. So just wait. Before corona, the people were waiting more than a year to after passing their topographical test. So when you pass your topographical test, don't worry, just wait. And you can't trace them, you just you can't call them, as you can call them, but it's no point. They're going to say, oh, we are working on that, we have a lot of application, just wait. So when your PCO is going to be ready, they're going to send you an email that we are going to post your PCO, you're going to get within 24 hours, and you will get it. I got mine as well after a month when I passed my topographical test. But my friends lot of telling me they after someone got after a year as well. Hope so you understand everything. If you still have any questions, I'm happy to help you guys. So please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. uh, in this way, if I'm keep posting my videos, you can get a notification. Thank you very much for watching this video.